How you doing? This is an example of fixing a hose out in the field, all right? We just blew this hose. These are the fairings you have. This is 5/8, 5/8 to 3/4. All right. So I already cut the hose, I put it on. Now this is our hose crimping tool here. I set it up with nut setters on the truck. So you can just go ahead, take this like this. Just like this. All right. Now the way this works is just like the other crimper. You want to come in the side and show it here? We're going to go ahead and place this here, right in here, but let me grab a little grease first. Hold on. You want to put a little grease here on your connection so it doesn't cause it to pinch. All right. So we're going to go ahead and place it in here. It's easier when you mount it on the rig. Look at that. Nice professional crimp on the road. Little downtime, back to business. All right, guys, keep on spraying.